Hello friends, in last lecture we see that types of noise and the concept of noise. In this lecture we will start signal to noise ratio. So first of all, as defined previously, signal to noise ratio is a number that indicates the relative strength of the signal and the noise. However, in communication, noise is usually expressed as power. Because the received signal is also expressed in terms of power. If the signal and noise powers are known, the signal to noise ratio can be calculated. That means signal to noise ratio is abbreviated as S by N ratio. Sometimes they will ask a question about that signal to noise ratio by using S by N ratio. The S by N ratio is defined as, that means signal to noise ratio is defined as the ratio of signal power to noise power at the same point. May I repeating again, the definition of signal to noise ratio is defined as the ratio of signal power to noise power at the same point. Thus we can write the equation for that particular definition by using S by N is equal to XS XN is equal to, in the terms of voltage, Vs square upon R divided by Vn square by R. So RR get cancelled, we will get the term Vs upon Vn bracket square. Here XS is signal power, Xn is noise power, Vs is signal noise, and Vn is noise voltage. The S by N ratio is usually expressed in decibels only. So remember that unit for S by N is decibel. That means noise is always calculated in decibels, which is short term for dB. If a receiver has an input signal power given and noise power is given, we can calculate by using the formula, so which we have written in this format. So this is the formula for that signal to noise ratio. S by N is equal to Xs upon Xn is equal to Vs square upon R divided by Vn square by R. That means Vs is the source voltage and noise voltage. So with respectively RR get cancelled, we will get the term Vs upon Vn whole bracket square. So we will discuss the problem on that particular. So we have to take one problem on that. If a receiver has an input, I am taking a problem. .5 microwatt and the noise power is 0.2 microwatt. Then calculate the S by N ratio. So we know that the formula for S by N, Xs upon Xn is equal to Vs square upon R. Vn square upon R is equal to Vs upon Vn whole bracket square. But we calculate the noise in decibel, so we have to take the term in logarithmic. So S by N is equal to 10 log of Vs upon Vn bracket square 10 into 2 log of Vs upon Vn. Here Vs is 1.5 microwatt, that means signal power, and noise power is 0.2 microwatt. So 10 by 10 into 2 log of 1.5 divided by 0.2. So we have to calculate this term. So by using calculator, so you will get the answer for that. So something value will be 10 into 2. Find the log of this term. Whenever you find the log, minus of that this particular value, that means log of 1.5 minus log of 0.2, and solve by using this method. You will get the proper answer for that. Thank you.